Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete review about this awesome product called VidxTRA, which is a brand new proprietary video technology that creates high converting video pages, video funnels and fully blown video stories in minutes with state of art marketing features to effortlessly generate more traffic, leads and sales. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 free action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $899 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.
Hello and welcome to VidxTRA Walkthrough. Start creating high converting video pages, video funnels and full-blown video stores in minutes. Now let's get you started. We're going to create a video page. So first click on create pages and enter your desired page name. I'm going with VidxTRA and click on create. Okay, on the next page let's enable the headline option and insert my text right here. Alright, so I'm going to just adjust this. You can edit it to suit your preference really. So I'm going to adjust the heading to make it a bit bigger. And then I want to change the color of this portion of the text. Let's see. We can change it to, okay, this yellow looks good. Make it bold. Okay, that's great. I think I also want to change this portion of the text to a different color. So first, let's make it bold and choose a color. And no, I think blue. Okay, blue looks better. That's great. Awesome. Alright, so I think I want to adjust the heading. Let's make it this. Okay, that's perfect. Everything's looking great. Once you're done with the headline, we can now move to the body. Let's enable the body and insert my text right here. And just go ahead and edit just like we did with the headline. I'm going to center this. Alright, perfect. It looks good. I think I'm done with the body. Now we can move to add video. I'm going to use a link to a YouTube video. And that's it right there. Now let's edit the call to action button. Okay, I'm going to change the text to get instant access to VidxTRA. Okay, that works fine. Let's increase the font a little bit. Perfect. Now what next? I think I want to change the button background to a different color. Let's go with this bright blue. Perfect. Now the link type, let's stick with button and attach a link. This is where I want my visitors redirected. Okay, so the button position, let's center it. And I think everything is good with the button. Alright, let's turn this off and move to adding a countdown timer. Okay, there it is. So let's separate the styles. That looks good. I think I'm okay with that. And now I'm going to add my lead form so I can gather my leads. Let's go with email only because that's where I want to gather. And then hit save. Perfect. Everything looks good. And let's try to open it. Awesome, that's my video page created successfully. Alright, now let's create a video funnel. Once again, click on create funnel and enter your funnel name. I'm sticking with VidxTRA and then click on next. Alright, as you can see, there's a number of themes you can choose from. Let's preview this. This is what it looks like. It's good. But first, let's create from scratch. The 3 options, let's click add step. It appears, then add lead form. You can see it right there. And finally add call to action, that's CTA. Next, I'm going to just arrange these nodes and then we're going to connect them by clicking on the arrow right here and dragging it to the next one. You can repeat the same just like that. Now let's go ahead and edit each step of my funnel. Okay, so I'm going to add a heading. Let's go with win a copy of VidxTRA when you sign up. Let's see, sign up today. Okay, that looks good. Now just go ahead and edit it just the way you want. I want to adjust the heading right here. Alright, then I think I'm going to make it bold, and then let's change the color of this portion. Okay, I like this. Alright, that's good, and we can move on to add video. I'm going with the link from my YouTube video. That's great. You can also add an image if you want. And then let's go straight ahead to the call to action buttons. For the first, I'm going to use sign up. And then for the second, let's go with watch a demo. Perfect. Okay, everything is looking good. So finally, I'm going to set the default correlation to lead form 1. And that's it. You can hit save and close. So let's move over. As you can see, it's marked green. Let's move over to lead form. So for the lead type, I'm going with email only. So now let's add a heading. Enter your email below to claim it. So go ahead and edit it once again. I'm going to adjust the heading type. Okay, let's see. I'm going to change the color of this particular text to this. Okay, that looks good. You can add a video or an image, but let's go ahead and enable the terms and conditions. As you can see, they appear right there. You can also enable the GDPR. Look how it appears right there. Once you're done, just hit the save and close. We're almost done. So finally, go to the call to action. Let's edit that, add a suitable heading. I'm going with click the button below to get access. Okay, let's go with click the button below to download. Okay, that's much better. We're going to go ahead and adjust that. So just in the heading type, let's see, I'm going to make this a different color. Alright, that looks good. You can add a video or add an image. I'm going straight to the call to action button. Link type, I'm sticking with button, and then the link, and hit save and close. That's good. Okay, so next we're going to click over to add theme right there, and there are a bunch of themes you can use, but I think I like this mustardy yellow one, so let's go for that. Select theme, and finally hit publish, and there it is. Your video funnel is ready, and it works great too. As you can see, that looks awesome. Alright, now I'm going to embed my funnel into my site, and there's various ways you can do this. You can get a hosted link to your funnel. Just copy the link and open it on a new tab, just like so. Right there. There it is. Your video funnel. It's right there. So you can do that. You can get a hosted link to the funnel. Or you could add your funnel as a pop-up on your site. Just copy the link once again and paste it on the custom scripts of your page settings. Save that, and okay, it's saved now. So once you open your site, your funnel should appear as a pop-up on your site. Right there. Okay, that's awesome. You can see your funnel as a pop-up on your site. Or you could also add your funnel as, say, okay, an announcement bar. Alright, we can adjust the color of the bar. I think I want to go with, let's see. Okay, red looks good. Let's, make it a bright red. Then copy the link once again and paste on the custom scripts of your page settings. Make sure you save that. Okay, it's saved, and as you can see, it appears right there as an announcement bar on your site. That is perfect. So thank you for watching this video. That is how you use VidxTRA to create a video page or a video funnel.